Salvete omnes, the future is now. What will be, will be. Let's learn how to form the future tense. The future tense in Latin is the only tense that has two sets of endings. The first and second conjugations have one set, and the third and fourth conjugations have another set. This video, we will only be learning first and second conjugation verb future endings. So, take the present stem, add the active endings, bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. Bo, bi, 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 bu. The actual subject endings should look familiar. They're still o, s, t, mus, tis, unt. First conjugation, paro, parara. Take the present stem, para, and add the new endings, bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. I will prepare, you will prepare, he, she, it will prepare, we will prepare, you all will prepare, they will prepare. In old-fashioned days, the helping verb shall was used with the first person, but times change and we pretty much use will as the helping verb. Shall ends up being reserved for something called the future imperative, as in the Ten Commandments. Thou shalt not steal, but thou shalt learn the future tense. Second conjugation verb, teneo, tenere, same technique. Oops, why are we moving? Forgot to turn the pen on. Present stem plus the new endings, bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. You'll notice that most of the endings have a I being the key because the helping verb, again, in English is will. I ask you to watch this because when we learned the imperfect, which was bum, bus, bot, etc., we had an A vowel here, and remember, the basic helping verb in English was, past tense. Two more verbs, amo, amara, wideo, widera. First conjugation, take the present stem, add the new endings. Second conjugation, take the present stem, add the new endings, bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitus, bunt. Moving right along to the passive. Again, the final pronoun subject endings are the same. Ar, ris, tur, mur, mini, entur, that we saw in both the present and the imperfect. But this time we're looking for a bo. Here we've got this weirdness, which is why I put it in bold face print. Bi, 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 bu. So bor, beris, bitur, bimur, bimini, buntur. I will be prepared. You will be prepared. He, she, or it will be prepared. We will be prepared. You all will be prepared. They will be prepared. Same formula, second conjugation, present stem, add the new endings, bor, beris, that weird E, bitur, bimur, bimini, buntur. I will be held. You will be held. He, she, or it will be held. We will be held. You all will be held. Tenebuntur, they will be held. Important, irregular verbs do not follow this pattern of bo, bis, bit, or bor, beris, bitur. First of all, Sum has no passive, so this is the future of sum. Ero, eris, erit, erimus, eritus, erunt. But again, you'll notice that the vowel is I, helping you remember the helping verb will in English. I will be. You will be. He, she, or it will be. We will be. You all will be. They will be. Again, contrast with the imperfect. Sum had an irregular imperfect. Eram, eras, erat, and so on. The vowel was a, and the helping verb was. Possum, possa, potui is a compound of sum. So we're going to see ero, eris, erit, erimus, eritus, erunt, but we have to put a POT on the front. I will be able, you will be able, he will be able, we will be able, you all will be able, they will be able. Quo modo dicitur, they will be. Why don't you copy down these verbs and write your answers, and then I will pause the presentation, and then I will put the answers on and you can check them. Two little mnemonics, which is to say devices to help you remember. Bo, beep, 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 boo. Conjugations 1 and 2. And again, these are the vowel combinations that happen before the endings. Bo, bis, bit, bimus, bitis, bunt. In the active, anyway. The form of sum begins with E, write P-O-T. So if I have a form of sum like ero, eris, erit, and I want to create the form of possum, I have to remember to put P-O-T in front of the form that begins with E. Finally, if you remember and sing the verb amabitur to the Maroon 5 song, She Will Be Loved, you'll remember how to translate amabitur. Amabitur, amabitur, etc. Wale.